You wanna know what's my power? Yeah? Okay, leave it into me, but I don't want! Come here, big boy!
Come see me, kid!
Fail.
You don't hear a fail!
Okay, sure, yeah.
How are you today?
I'm pretty freaked out.
You know why you're freaked out?
No.
Tell you why you're freaked out.
Okay.
You are freaked out because this is obsolete.
Okay.
Obsolete.
I'm sorry, okay.
Kablooey, that's how you take care of those things.
Oh my god.
I told you to stand over there. Lean over the sink. This is an expensive set.
Who is that?
That, my friend, is Elias. You know what me and Elias are here to do today for you?
No.
We're about to save you a lot of hard time and money.
Oh.
Do you know how?
Okay, yeah, no.
No?
No.
Let's point you over to Elias. Well, he'll explain it all.
Oh my god. Okay.
America! It's the typewriter!
Oh my god.
A revolutionary new invention.
Oh my god.
You take a blank piece of paper.
A blank piece of paper.
Blank. You stick it in the slot.
In the slot.
You press E. E. I don't care.
Kablooey!
You got letters on the paper.
Letters on the
Oh my
paper.
God.
You hit 2 keys, man. Oh my god.
Yes, isn't it revolutionary?
Yeah.
It is. And look how much you saved. This is completely sloppy. All this is a work of art, my friend.
Yes,
Work of art.
Oh my god!
You don't like it, son?
It's the bee's knees!
Well, America, if it can change his mind, it can change yours.
When you buy 2 of these absolutely awesome typewriters, you get 1 piece of paper free.
Free!
Now, call now at 1-800-FREE-CANDY.
Alright, the 2010 Best Infomercialist of the Year is Billy Tonitas!
I want to thank my parents for supporting me with the set and everything. I want to thank Ms. Glass for making me do the project, and all my friends at school.
Boy, get out of here and go to school! I'm gonna let you finish, but just let me say this. Let me say this. Billy Mays is the best infomercialist of all time! Yeah! Get your ass to school.
Oh.
Ah!